Hey guys, this is Vignesh back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a mouse that I have been using for a quite while now. So this is the Cosmic Byte Kilonova 33351C wireless mouse, and yes, this is not a review, it's just an unboxing and a quick overview of this mouse. So let's get started. So inside this box you get the user manual, then the mouse itself. Then inside this cover you get a Wi-Fi dongle to connect the mouse wirelessly. You also get top cover so that you can change this cover with this one. Then you get a USB extension adapter and extra side button covers. So if you don't want side buttons, just remove it and place these side button covers. Anyway, back to unboxing. Then you get a nice lightweight Type-C to Type-A cable. So that was the unboxing. Now talking about the specs and features, well, it can be used both wired and wireless mode. 1000 Hz polling rate, DPI up to 16,000. It has a 400 mAh rechargeable battery, and in my usage, for normal use, it lasted for around 10 to 15 days, and in heavy gaming use, it took around 7 to 8 days. But as we all know, battery usage may vary depending upon your usage. You also get RGB, and you can customize this with Cosmic Byte software. But the two main features of this mouse is that it's a wireless gaming mouse with a gaming reach sensor, which is Pixart 3351 sensor, and also it has 7 customizable buttons, which for this price point I guess no other mouse provides. By the way, the mouse costs around rupees 2799 and I bought this for under 2500. You can customize these buttons using Cosmic Byte software. Also, you can set different profiles. For example, in normal use, I have made a profile named Profile 1, where I have set these right side button for switching between Windows desktop, the left side buttons for navigating backward and forward, and the middle button to switch between tabs. Now, while watching movies and web series, I also have a media profile where I have set right side button to increase and decrease the volume. And also while gaming, I have created a gaming profile. Anyway, most of the mouse at this price point comes with just 5 buttons. Generally, they won't have all 4 side buttons. They will just have only 2 side buttons in the left side. Anyway, just a quick overview. I know I haven't talked about performance of this mouse. Well, it does perform really good, but regarding detailed performance, I'm saving that for my long-term review of this mouse. And honestly, this is my first time using a gaming mouse, so I'm actually looking for a good gaming mouse which I can compare this one with, and I'm waiting for that. Anyway, this is Vignesh signing off, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.